and now it belongs to me.
Because you won it in combat.
That's right.
Alright nerds and saber enthusiasts, the votes are now in. I asked you all to choose the next lightsaber that I would be receiving to unbox and review next. Whoever had the most likes would have determined that. With this order you will receive a hilt stand, product manual, USB stick, charging cable, screw and Allen key, saber plug, and of course, the blade. And here it is, the most liked comment was the DARKSABER. Now just take a look at this fantastic looking hilt, and this bad boy was originally created by Vizsla, the first Mandalorian to ever be inducted into the Jedi Order. This saber and those events took place over 1,000 years ago. That's right, this is older than your grandma's cooking secrets. It is just ridiculous how cool this is. The sound is beautiful, the blade looks absolutely fantastic, and I'm not kidding, this has got some serious weight to it. So let's talk about features. This is motion control because buttons are clearly last century. You can twist it to turn it off, you can swing it to turn it back on, and it has the Xeno 3 installed, meaning that you can control all of these fancy settings in the app, because nothing screams ancient warrior weapon like Bluetooth connectivity. Now the DARKSABER is totally unique, rocking a black blade with a white glow, allegedly powered by a black kyber crystal. But if you're thinking, hey, what if it were red or blue? Hey, even pink, no worries. You can change the blade color with ridiculous ease. No Jedi training required. Parsec Sabers didn't just stop at making this thing look cool, oh no. You also get over 30 sound fonts, tip drag, smooth swing, flash on clash, basically all the bells and whistles that make swinging this thing around your room feel extra dramatic. Now, I wasn't kidding around before. This lightsaber definitely does have some extra weight to it. So doing the Obi-Wan with this thing is going to be pretty difficult, but it's doable. It's just going to be pretty uncomfortable on the old hands. Right now, Parsec Sabers is selling the Mandalore, and honestly, they've been absolutely killing it with high quality, insane, accurate, drool-worthy lightsabers at prices that won't make your wallet cry. Plus, their shipping is fast, and if you have any questions, they're way easier to contact than your ex. And go follow Parsec Sabers on social media, because if you love Star Wars, free stuff, or just looking cool, you're going to want to keep up with all the giveaways and reveals. I'll be uploading another video soon asking you guys to decide which lightsaber should I unbox and review next.